Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So today is the final video in the renovation series so far. I hope you've been enjoying. I've gone around the whole dollhouse and I've updated, refreshed and just reset it for winter 2025. So today I'm just going to take you on a little tour around the house, but I have already started making a few little changes, so I will share those with you. And I would like to still continue to do some dollhouse things. I'm really enjoying the dollhouse at the moment, so although this is the end of this series, I might actually get started straight away making some things. Please let me know if you want to see me do anything particular. I might just make some new furniture and do some little mini furniture tutorials or something like that, because I'm always changing things, and there are some things that I've had perhaps for a while in the dollhouse that I could do with refreshing and changing. So I'm definitely going to stick with the dollhouse for a little while, although I will be decorating around the house soon. It's just been such a long, miserable winter that I haven't really felt sort of inclined to get ready for spring yet, but I'm sure at some point the weather will change and we'll all start to perk up a bit. So here's the outside of the dollhouse. I've kept that wreath on the front door. That's like a classic all year round wreath. And I do like those two trees on the outside as well. So I have kept those also. On the inside of the front door, I have put the Stay Cozy wreath for winter. So I will change that obviously when spring comes, if it comes. So this is the hallway table, the umbrella, the lovely little flower pot and a candle on a book, nice and classic. I've actually reused that curtain. It was in the bathroom and I thought, well, that'll go quite nice on that window there. I've got all the lighting round and everything from last time when you saw it, when I did the refresh a couple of weeks ago. I have added a little runner by the sink that came in was it poppy seed miniature or something, and it was for the bathroom, and I thought that'll make a lovely long runner. I've still got that light there as well. I've kept that as well as the additional lighting, but I do love that little runner there. I've just stuck that down. It goes great in the kitchen. So that's just a little thing that I've changed since the last time that I did it. As I said, I'm always making little changes here and there. So I might have a think about doing a bigger change to the kitchen soon. We'll see. And then here's the bathroom. Very happy with that window, how that's turned out. And everything in here. I've made big changes, obviously changing the shower cubicle to a bath. And I've changed the layout. Haven't changed the main unit sink, so that's something that possibly could change. And then in the living room, I did that last week. I made a new settee, new side table, new coffee table, but I did still keep the bookcase and the TV. So those, again, could be possible changes. I did change the window and the wallpaper. So I'm very happy with how cozy that's looking and the layout of it at the moment. So that's the main part of the dollhouse looking lovely. And then in the attic, I have run a bit of lighting up through the attic as well because I had a bit left over. So there's a little bit of lighting in the attic. I did add that clock onto the wall. I also added a little jar. It was one of the jars that I'd used for the bathroom and it was just spare. So I thought, well, that could be a little pot for paper clips or something in the office. And then I did add that little clock there because it's always nice to have a clock when you're working in the office. So I think that was all the changes that I'd made since the last time I showed you in the bedroom. Again, there's furniture there that could be changed. I have made a lot of it recently. I'm quite happy with the bed, I think, at the moment. Those side tables I might change. I did like them still, so I kept them, but I possibly could do a little change there with the bedroom. So I'm always thinking of things that I can do. And then obviously I can start dressing it for spring, so that might happen. I think I added that plant in there at the side as well. I had a few plants left over. I also had that little basket there, a laundry basket that was previously in the bathroom. So I thought, well, that could just go there. So I've made a couple of changes. That's why I thought I'd just take you on a tour today and just show you how it's all sort of looking. I'm really loving that rose gold. I love that book that I got, and I think it's really made a big difference on the living room and the bathroom. And I think the kitchen's looking lovely and fresh. I might put some of that window treatment in, the white foam, perhaps in the windows in the kitchen. So that's perhaps a change that I could implement. So that's it for this series. But as I said, there will be changes to make. We have got spring coming, so I will redecorate for spring, and I may make some new bits and pieces, or just try some ideas out for dollhouse furniture. And as I say, I am actually going to make a little change now to the cupboard in the bathroom, because I did make it out of thick cardboard and I covered it and then sellotaped it together, and I felt it was a little bit wonky, a little bit clunky because of the way I made it. So I thought I would perhaps do like I did with the bath. I made a sort of a thick clunky bath and then changed it to a simpler one. So this is going to be the simple cupboard. So I've just got a piece of black card, drew out a net for a sort of a cuboid shape without a lid on it, just folded it all, put some double-sided sticky tape on these shelves. So I've made some shelves to put in. I've stuck them on the side, and then I'll stick it all together and then stick the shelves down last. So I've used a double-sided sticky tape so it can't be seen. And it's black, so it doesn't need covering, so that makes it a little bit easier. I've got this little dish here, which is basically just a button with some beads in, and I'm going to make another box as well to go on it using my favourite rose gold paper. So I've just done a net for a box, a cuboid, and then just fold it and stick it, and then I've done a net for a lid, and then I'll just fold that and then stick that on the top. So this could be for cleaning products to be hidden, and so that can go on the shelf. I've put my towels on the top shelf. I've put that little bowl there with my bath bombs and soaps, which are basically beads, and then some of those little storage containers I made, I've put those on the bottom shelf. And I think that now is a more streamlined cupboard. And then obviously I'm going to just reconfigure a little bit in the bathroom. So I've moved the toilet over, I've moved the bath fully over, and then I've popped that unit in there. And I think that's looking lovely. I've put one of the towels over the bath as well. And then because I moved the toilet, I did have to change the toilet roll holder to a black lid. So it looks like a basket with the toilet rolls in, because the long one that I made to go in the corner won't fit behind the door, obviously, and then it looks a little bit silly alongside the bath. So I have changed that over for now. And as you can see there, the door opens, and you're okay on the toilet. In fact, in my bathroom, the door opens by the toilet and it's not a problem. So I have just done that little reconfiguration there in the bathroom. I'm really happy with that piece of furniture. And as I said, I may make some more changes. So although this is the sort of final look tour, I might carry on making some new furniture and making some changes. And I hope that you do enjoy. I know lots of people do enjoy the Dollhouse videos, so I will try and do more of them this year, as well as a little bit of shopping, a little bit of crafting, and a little bit of my own home decor as well. So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.